How to draw a girl vampire, step by step. Hey, what's going on everyone? So for the first step of today's Halloween drawing, we're just going to begin by drawing a simple curved line right here towards the top center of the page. This will be the top of our vampire's hair. So from this point, we're going to continue to draw the hair, but we're not going to complete it just yet. We're going to continue to draw the hair because then we'll be able to draw the outline of the face. And if you're interested in seeing more Halloween drawing tutorials just like this, then be sure to check out our Spooky Season drawing tutorial playlist, which I'll put a link to down in the description below. Nicely done. Now let's go ahead and draw the outline of the face, connecting from the left side of the hair all the way over to the right. Now that we have the outline of the face drawn, let's go ahead and finish drawing the right side of the hair by connecting it to the outline of the face. And keep in mind that if I ever go too fast, then feel free to pause or rewind the video as you need to. Fantastic! Next, let's go to the inside of the face to add detail. Let's begin by drawing a simple small C line for the nose. Just keep in mind that it's important to make the nose small so that we have more room to add more detail once we're all done drawing the nose. Now on the left side of the nose, let's go ahead and draw the first eye, beginning by drawing a simple small curved line going from left to right. Now attached to the top part of this line, let's go ahead and draw the outline of the eye. Now on the inside of the outline, let's go ahead and draw the pupil by drawing a small circle and filling in completely black, just leaving a small white dot in the center. Nicely done. Now a little to the right, let's go ahead and draw the second eye, the exact same way that we just drew the first. For each of the eyes, let's go ahead and draw 3 small eyelashes by making 3 small curved lines. Above each eye, let's go ahead and draw a simple eyebrow by drawing a curved line going from left to right. Oh, so far this is coming along very well. Now right below the nose, let's go ahead and draw the mouth along with the fangs of our vampire. Let's start off by drawing 2 small lines, one on the left hand side and one on the right. Then, we'll want to go ahead and attach these 2 lines with a longer curvy line right underneath. Now to draw the fangs, we're going to draw 2 triangular shapes pointing down attached to the line that we just drew together. Next, in between the 2 fangs, we're going to draw the mouth as if it is open by drawing a curved line to connect from the inside of the left fang all the way over to the inside of the right. Now on the inside of the mouth, the only detail that we will add will be the tongue, which will be on the bottom. So now we have most of the hair drawn, along with the outline of the face and detail on the inside. Now let's go ahead and draw the left side of the hair, which will be attached to the left side of the face. Also, if you're enjoying today's video so far, then be sure to give it a big like by hitting the thumbs up button right below. Now let's go ahead and start right here at this point attached to the face. So now that we have all of the hair drawn, let's go ahead and go right below the face, and let's draw a simple curved line going from left to right to make the neck. Next, we're going to draw the cloth piece that will appear as if it is coming out of the shirt of our vampire. The bottom part of this cloth piece will be wavy, and on the inside, there will be lines going up and down. Nice, so far this looks great. Now let's go right above the head, and we're going to begin to draw the cape of our vampire, so let's begin on the left hand side. We will start off by drawing a line that looks similar to an upside down L. This will attach to the bottom part of the hair on the left hand side all the way up to the top left portion of the hair. Then we'll do the same thing on the right hand side, but just the opposite way. Now on the inside of each of these pieces, we're going to make a small outline on the inside to help separate the colors. So in just a moment, we're going to draw the arms along with the hands of our vampire, but before we do that, let's go right here below the neck and draw the medallion that will appear to be as if it is around the neck of our vampire. Fantastic! Now that we have that drawn, we can now begin to draw the left arm as well as hand. Let's start off on the left hand side just by drawing a simple long curved line. This will be the beginning of the sleeve which the hand will be coming out of. Now attached to that line, let's go ahead and draw the fingers as well as the entire hand. So let's start off by drawing the first finger, which will be the thumb. In total, our vampire should have 5 fingers, and it will appear as if the hands are big and pointy. If you're looking to draw any other Halloween monsters or characters, then be sure to comment down below what you'd like to learn how to draw, because we're always taking drawing requests. How cool, the hand of our vampire looks really creepy. Now let's go ahead and draw the outline of the sleeve, which will be attached to the hand that we just drew together. So now that we have the opening of the sleeve drawn, we can now go ahead and draw the arm, but we're also going to have to draw the left side of the cape and shirt of our vampire. Whoa, how cool! Now we have almost the entire left side done. Now we're going to want to extend the bottom of our vampire's clothes, then we'll want to hop over to the right hand side and draw the right arm and hand the exact same way that we just did on the left hand side. Great, now we're not going to finish the clothes just yet. Before we do that, we're going to want to finish drawing the right arm and hand. So let's go ahead and draw the sleeve, starting right here below the hair. And now keep in mind that the opening of the sleeve will not be difficult on this side, because on the left hand side, the sleeve was facing us, whereas on the right hand side, the sleeve will be facing away from us. Now from the right side of the arm, where that line is going up and down, we're going to go ahead and draw the hand, and we won't have to make anything additional for the sleeve, just as I previously mentioned. Are you all done drawing the hand? If so, let's continue. For the final step, we're going to want to draw the right side of the cape as well as the rest of the clothes. This is how to draw a girl vampire. Thank you for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. Don't forget at the end of today's video, I'll show a picture of my drawing all colored in, and I'll also include some more Halloween drawings along with a Halloween drawing tutorial playlist. Great job today and thank you for drawing with me. See you next time. Happy Halloween everyone! I specifically picked a Halloween drawing tutorial playlist for you, along with the other video of a boy vampire drawing tutorial. Be sure to check those out. Great job today and have a great Halloween!